Fáilte chuig An Gaeilge, your go-to Irish grammar website.
Today we're looking at An Chopail. The couple is called the copula in English, but we don't actually know what that is, so put simply, the couple operates as a way of linking words together in sentences. There are some specific words we use for the couple. We're going to look at the I'm sure láithreach, or present tense. To ask questions, the couple words an and nach are used in the I'm sure láithreach. The sentence structure is as follows. An Chopail, an áis, or information, an tanimni, or subject. Like, an fear é, is it a man? To answer questions positively using An Chopail, the couple word is used. The sentence structure is the same as for asking questions. An Chopail, an áis, an tanimni, is fear é, it is a man. To answer questions negatively, the couple word ní is used. The sentence structure is the same as asking and answering questions. An Chopail, an áis, an tanimni, ní Colleen é, it is not a girl. If a verb such as dar or cheap is at the beginning of the sentence, we use the firm indirect or indirect form of the couple. We do this by using the couple words gur, gerb, or nach. The gur and gerb are used for positive sentences and nach for negative sentences. The structure of this type of sentence is as follows. Bríothar, an Chopail, an áis, an tanimni. So an example of a positive sentence using the firm indirect is Dare to gur Colleen é. You said it is a girl. And an example of a negative sentence using the firm indirect, Darum nach Colleen é. I say it is not a girl. Gurb is used in the I'm sure láithreach before adiachtaí that start with a gutta and before dofríothar that start with a gutta. Gur is used in the I'm sure láithreach before animacle that start with a gutta, before réamhacha that start with a gutta, and before franamnica réamhacha that start with a gutta. The couple is also used to show identity or in oberty unanis. The sentence structure of oberty unanis is as follows. An Chopail, an feranam, an tanimni, an áis. So, for example, Isi Líse an duine idir cheann. Líse is the person in your head. Similarly, we use the firm indirect if a verb, such as dar, is at the beginning of the sentence. For example, Darum gurí Líse an duine I mo cheann. Agus sin é.
If you haven't already, do check out www.wronggaeilge.com for a downloadable 10-point summary, activity questions and answers on this topic, and much, much more.